Paradise crew! Today is day 4 of our awesome cruise on the Disney Wonder. Today we just docked in the beautiful Bonaire. And you can see that. There we go. We have a fun day of exploring on our own. We're going to be snorkeling and hopefully taking that trip to the salt pans. But first we need breakfast, and today we are going to be eating in cabanas. So Cullen is still trying to get ready. It is 7:44, trying to make it upstairs before that 8 o'clock rush. Since we did just dock literally 2 minutes ago, we have plenty of time to chill before the ship is cleared and we are able to get off. On our way out the door for breakfast, I like to check the magnets because the one that someone made from the Facebook group keeps like flying off the door. So I like to check them every time we open the door. And look at this! Look at this! Someone made me a happy birthday Alyssa magnet, and someone made us this adorable happy anniversary Griffin Alyssa magnet.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck?
That is pretty cool.
That is so sweet.
That is so cool.
Gosh, I love it. And then there's something in here too. So I'll take this out. We'll open this later. I guess we'll just put it in the room when we get back. But oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, there are lots of things in here. Okay, so it's kind of difficult to film and walk into cabanas at the same time because you stop and wash your hands, and then I have my camera, and then I have paper towels and all that stuff. So maybe Cullen can get some B-roll of that. But we found a beautiful seat right here by the on the port side of Bonaire. So you can see it's a little bright, but we pulled up right to this dock here. I'm not sure which one we're at. I believe there's a north side and a south side. I'm not sure which one this is, but I'm sure we can find out once we get off the ship. We are taking a water taxi, and we have to meet right outside of the port here. So I believe, if I'm looking at this correctly, it'll just be right, like pretty much a straight shot out to where we're gonna meet our excursion company. They'll pick us up in the water taxi, take us over to Klein Bonaire, and then we have a couple hours to explore for ourselves. So, oh, is that a donut?
Yeah, it looks promising, but most donuts then like mass produced like that aren't good. So I wanted to try it.
It looks really good. Look at that. Nice and glazed.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Good. All right. Well, I'm gonna get some food now.
Okay.
All right, that was probably one of the most stressful situations that we've been in a long time. Tried to get the drone back. They essentially told us that we can't have it. We are working with, I guess, the head of security on the Wonder. He's going to try to get it back to us for Antigua and for St. Martin, because I showed him some emails that we're working with specific companies.
Yeah.
Gosh, like, it makes me want to throw up. Like it's just so, it's frustrating, and I understand that there are rules, but he said it falls in the same line, like a category as a knife or a bullet. So that makes no sense to me. No sense. It is a drone. It takes video and photos. It's recreational. We're not doing anything illegal with the video, so it's really upsetting. And they let us on the ship with it. So if it was that bad, what else goes through the security that we don't know about?
Right.
So we are late now because we were trying to get our drone back, and obviously they said no. So we are going to try to find this place with the water taxi so we can go to Klein Bonaire, and if not, then, you know, we just missed everything for the day and just go back to bed and start over. So
melody, you rattle my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy.
Not that, you know, the other Caribbean islands aren't gorgeous, because they are, but gosh, this place is pretty. The water, yeah, the water, the buildings, the trees. The bar over here. We've been on land for 10 minutes, blown away. Let's head over. So apparently this water taxi runs every hour on the hour. It is 9:02. The water taxi has just pulled up to the dock. We are going to get on it, spend some time over in the beautiful Klein Bonaire, do some snorkeling, take some photos. Unfortunately,
ooh, it could be a photo day.
Yeah, we're gonna do some photos. We're gonna make the best out of the situation. We're going to make a great video without drone shots. So sorry about that if that's what you're looking for, but maybe the next time when we're in Bonaire in 2020, we'll be able to get some drone shots for you.
2020.
Yeah. The Alita Local Group Cruise is going to Bonaire.
Very good. Perfect, sir. Welcome aboard.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome, welcome.
Hey, thank you.
But you're not allowed to put it on YouTube.
Oh, okay, well.
We have 1 million subs.
Most days go like all of the others. Go to work, come back home, watch TV. But brother, if I had me druthers, oh trust me, I'd head out to sea. For I dream of the skull and the crossbones. I dream of the great day to come, when I chuck the mundane for the old Spanish main and trade me computer for rum.
Yay!
Let me take out my oh, it's a pen. Shit.
I'd like to be a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
Yes, it's gorgeous. I love it. We are officially in paradise. We are in Klein Bonaire, or No Name Beach. There are legitimately 6 people on this beach right now. It is gorgeous. I'm so excited. The water is beautiful. It's warm. We're gonna put our stuff down. We're gonna snorkel. We're gonna take photos. We're also gonna do a float, a smaller float, not like the full one, only because we have our camera gear, and I know Cullen likes to risk it for the biscuit, but I'm not about to have someone take all of our stuff. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. He's right here. Oh great! Let's watch for the crabs. Can you believe this right now?
This is insane. And people just keep disappearing, like walking over to the benches. We have this entire thing for ourselves.
And our little private island has just been raided by another water taxi. But that's okay. There are a ton of people getting off, unfortunately, but it was nice to have the beach to ourselves for a little bit. There's also a giant pirate ship out there full of people that they're like bringing in on little lifeboats. And yeah, so here's everyone getting off over there and people getting off over here. But we got some cool photos while we were on the beach by ourselves, so I'm not upset about it. We are going to go snorkeling, get in the water, take some cool shots with the 50-50, I would imagine.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna have a good day. It would have been really nice though to fly the drone around this beautiful island. It's okay. We just keep telling ourselves it's okay, it'll be okay.
Just watch me break in. You're falling in me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
some awesome snorkeling.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that the GoPro footage will show this, but it literally just drops off.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's like, it's shallow enough obviously to touch, and then all of a sudden, like 100 feet down.
Like that, you know, normally it's like a descend, like, you know, it just kind of dissipates. This one was like, nope, drop off.
Right. Very cool. Didn't see any sea turtles today, which makes me really sad.
Oh man.
But there were plenty of fish. There were beautiful coral reefs, so I'm sure that you have already seen that footage at this point.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Such a great day here on Klein Bonaire.
Klein Bonaire.
We are going to catch the water taxi back. We've had enough sun for the day, so I think we're going to go back to the ship, grab some food, and then see where the rest of the afternoon takes us. We do have our mixology class, which I'm so excited, at 4 o'clock, so we have to be back on the ship no later than 3 so we can get ready for that. And then for pirate night for the rest of the evening.
Arrgh. 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 Are you ready?
Are you ready? Oh, we also got some fun photos.
Yeah.
So insert some of those. So we got some fun photos today, and
if you want to see more of those photos, you can always follow Alyssa A. Griffin on Instagram. I have one too. It's Cullen G. Griffin, but a lot of the fun stuff goes through Alyssa's channel.
That's true. I get all the fun stuff. How cool that is! Made out of shoes and trash. Pretty cool. What are you doing?
Getting B-roll the cannon.
Oh. They're cannons. Well, that's fun. You know, just in case someone invades the port. So I'm assuming this is the North Pier because of what that sign says. So we are docked in the South Pier today. Definitely getting a little toasty. The sun is burning my body. So the security on the ship is very interesting.
Yeah, they're very relaxed just now.
Well, yeah, but at the same point not. So I put my backpack through, right? Because that's what you have to do. And he goes, "Ma'am, do you have a knife in your bag?" And I was like, "A knife in my bag?" And he goes, "Yeah." And I said, "No." I said, "I mean, you can check. I have snorkeling gear in here." And he was like, "Okay." And then he just left. So like he didn't even look, hello. Didn't even check it, but I mean, I for real did not have the knife in my bag. I just think that's really interesting. So I don't know what, might have, oh yes.
Thank you.
I don't know what might have gone off and made it look like that I was carrying a knife, but he didn't check it. So this has been very interesting time with security.
Now that I'm here, I don't think I want to go back out.
Yeah, I didn't think so. 35. We are going to grab some lunch somewhere and probably stay here for the rest of the day. I know we wanted to take a taxi to the salt pans, but if we don't have our drone, it's not that it's pointless, but we kind of really wanted to do that. So maybe on the 2020 group cruise, the next time we're in Bonaire, we can fly the drone.
Yeah, I'll just fly it then.
Over the salt pans. So I hope that this part of Bonaire was pleasing enough to you guys. I hope we got enough footage, essentially, is what I'm trying to say. What water taxi company do we use?
Carib. Highly recommend.
They were fantastic.
Very chill.
Yeah, super chill. The guys were really nice. I'm sure that I got some of that in there for you. But yeah, I would highly recommend booking directly with them because they said it's $20 per person for the water taxi. And if you go with Disney, it's like $35, which is a lot. So do that.
And there's another company that does it for $9 cheaper, or he said?
More expensive.
More expensive, but there's someone that does it cheaper, but they take you to spots that aren't authorized. So you risk getting in trouble. You pay for a cheaper price, and then you risk getting in trouble. So that one's too good to be true. So
don't do that.
I would go with Carib, the $20 one.
Yeah, let's do that. And you can stay as long as you want. The last shuttle, the last taxi back is at 4:45. Obviously, we could not do that because we would miss the ship, and we can't afford to miss the ship. So we just walked in the room, Our pirate bandanas are here for Pirate Night. So cute. Pirates of the Caribbean. I will be wearing this somehow tonight because I don't have a bandana. I was kind of counting on that. And from earlier this morning, our fish extender gifts are still in the bag, so I'm gonna grab those and we can show you what we got before we go get lunch. Okay, so look how cute some of this stuff is. This is adorable. It's a little loofah attached to a gel mask. Oh my gosh. Soothing watermelon and aloe. Have you been watching our vlogs before we post them and you just know that my face is already burnt and it needs aloe? That is incredible. I will be using it tonight. Thank you. It says, Disney moms deserve a break. We hope you relax and unwind on your cruise. Happy cruising from the Supalo family. Cabin 8000. 10-minute mask. Thanks. I will totally be using that. Ooh, this says, Disney dudes don't get lost, but just in case. Happy cruising. Let's see what that is.
A map.
Probably, but I need your help, please.
Alright.
Can you open this? The fish extenders.
Boom!
Oh, that's so cute. Love it.
Dudes.
It did. It's all yours. All right. We also have, oh, is that one of those cars that have a ship card? So it says, there we go. It says Wandering the Wonder. It has all of the bars, lounges, shopping, information, food and beverage, recreation, literally every category you can think of, the name of the place and the deck number it is located on. That is super helpful. All right. We also have, it's called Mickey's Magical Family Game. We love games. What is this? Oh, okay. These small ones say, who am I? So that's kind of like, what's it called? Like catchphrase. Answer me this. Yeah, we should probably open it up.
Answer me this. Money is no object. What is your ultimate Disney dream?
Those are fun. We can take those to dinner.
Who does the best impression of Mickey Mouse? Everybody try.
Okay.
Oh boy!
Okay, I won't be participating in that one. But these are fun. Boy. Oh, there's instructions, official game. Guys, this is so fun.
Oh boy!
What are you doing?
Oh boy!
Oh, okay. We're done with that. And we also have cards. So one has my name on it specifically, and then one has both of our names on it. So I'm gonna open this. I'm assuming that this is where the magnets came from too. Adventure is here. Happy birthday. We hope your cruise is great. Aw, that's so nice. Aw, it's your anniversary. Spirit of adventure.
There we go.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you to the Supalo family. They made us these adorable cards, and they gave us all of these things. So that was very nice.
All right, you want to play the game one more time?
Okay.
All right. Who am I? Who am I?
Iron Man.
There we go. And
I'm so good at this game.